Access Control Mason Park, Texas. Seeking a reliable Mason Park, Texas, access control firm? Please allow us to assist you. Nexlar is a leader in the field of automated security gates and access control systems. If you're in Mason Park, Texas, we can help. Having an access control system installed is a great way to prevent strangers from entering your building. If you have experience with lock hardware, you can guarantee the best system for your business. Nexlar's physical access control systems are a dependable option for businesses looking to restrict access to restricted areas. Regardless of your company's size, we have a commercial security solution that will work for you. We put in systems like magnetic locks, biometrics, and cloud computing that are dependable and simple to use. We can assist you in securing any type of entrance or exit, including doors, gates, and more. Card readers, magnetic locks, electronic strikes, and locks are just some of the cutting-edge security products we work with. Get a no-cost in-person quote for access control services right away. Get in touch with us right away. 281-407-0768. Please stop by our website at https://www.nexlar.com/access control installation/Mason Park access control/.